You want to delete your emails in Gmail. So how can we delete? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete emails in Gmail. Let's get started. First, we need to go gmail.com and sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. And then next, select the emails you want to delete by clicking the checkbox next to email. If you want to delete emails on the page, click the checkbox at the top to select them all. Once you've selected the emails, click the trash can icon at the top of page to delete them. The emails will be moved to the trash folder. To permanently delete the emails, go to the trash folder on the left sidebar. Click Empty Trash Now at the top to permanently delete all emails in the trash. And that's it. You successfully delete your emails in Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching.